In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best B&Q discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for B&Q discount promo code. Go to this website, which is called Coupon Follow, and as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with a 10% discount right here. Simply select this button where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy, and you can apply this one on your next order so that you can get a 10% discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Simply Codes. And here we have a list with other promo codes that you can use to get some benefits. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with a $10 discount right here. Simply select this button where it says view code. And this is the promo code right here. You can tap on this button to copy the promo code, and you can apply it on your next order so that you can get a $10 discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.